What's up, hiccup guy? What's up, hiccup guy?
Okay, it's Catherine.
What's up, hiccup guy?
Is a lot coming out? Is it doing well?
It's doing very well.
Oh, good.
What's
So
that?
maybe that issue now is taken care of.
First hiccups, huh?
Having some problems.
Yeah, I wasn't having anything come out all this morning and stuff.
Okay.
They were nervous about my kidneys, and one of mine came back a little
Funky.
abnormal.
Okay.
Yeah, so
That looks great now.